we're going to do some math. Are you guys ready for some math?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so we are going to read the book, Mouse Shapes. Has anyone ever heard of this book or read this book? Raise your hand quietly. Okay, so some of you know of it.
No, I was just telling you that we did another book called Mouse Paint.
Yeah, this is like that book. It's by the same author, Ellen Stowell-Walsh. So let's start mouse shapes. Okay. So the mice were running from the cat. Hurry, said Violet. Jessica, can you see? Let's hide in here, said Martin. After a while, Fred said, I think we lost him. Look, we've been hiding in shapes, said Violet. We can make things with them. Here's a square. A triangle on top makes a perfect house for little mouse. A triangle and a rectangle makes a tree, said Martin. The circle is the sun. But these triangles are different, said Fred. Triangles are tricky, said Violet, but any shape with 3 sides is a triangle. Fred put 2 circles on a rectangle. It's a wagon for the little mouse in the house, he said. 2 diamonds make a book for the little mouse to read, said Violet. Here's 1 oval, 2 circles, and 8 triangles, said Martin. It's a fish. Watch out, the cat likes fish, said Violet. Hey, let's make the cat, said Fred. Violet put on the eyes and the nose. Fred stuck on the ears, and Martin added the teeth. It looks just like the real cat, he said, only better. Just then, the real cat pounced. The mice ran away and didn't come back until the cat was gone. That cat's too sneaky, said Violet. If only we were bigger. I have an idea, said Fred. The clever mice got to work. Soon they made 3 big, scary mice. And surprised the cat. The cat ran away fast. What a scaredy cat, said Violet. Now what can we make for the little mouse in the house? It's time for lunch, said Fred. Let's make him some Swiss cheese. So they did. So that was mouse shapes. And later on, once we're all done learning about some different shapes, we are going to make our own little mice.
Ooh.
So that'll be fun.
Yep.
Okay, so next I'm going to pass around the sharing bear, and I want you guys to tell me what your favorite shape is. So my favorite shape is a square because it has 4 corners, and I like corners.
My favorite is a square. My favorite is a circle.
Square. Tyler, why is that your favorite shape?
Because it's not square, because it has corners, and I like those 4 corners a lot.
4 corners.
Rhombus.
Why do you guys like a rhombus?
Because when rhombuses are diamonds, so we like diamonds.
Isaiah, why do you like a rhombus?
Because they have like two sides.
Okay, the two sides are kind of parallel.
Hexagon. Rectangle.
Rectangle.
My favorite square.
Why do you like a square, Christopher?
Because she's so happy.
Why do you like the square? Do you like the square because of the corners or the straight lines?
Straight line.
The straight lines.
I like a lot.
A rhombus. Very good.
I like a triangle.
Why do you like a triangle?
Because I really like how you draw them here.
Very cool.
I like a rhombus.
Very cool.
I love a square.
A square.
I love a straight line.
You like the straight lines.
Rhombus.
A rhombus. Why do you like a rhombus, Evelina?
Because it has pointy edges.
Pointy edges. Good job. Thank you, you guys. Great sharing and taking your turns. So, next I'm going to pass out one shape to each person. And I want you guys to think of something interesting you can say about your shape, something to describe it. And once you have your idea, raise your hand and we'll go around the class. So remember, we're thinking of things we can say to describe our shape. Here you go. Here you go, Blake. You have a funky one.
What is it?
Okay. So let's wait for everyone to raise their hand. Remember, raise your hand once you have something you can say about it to describe your shape. Okay. Anthony. Just a couple more kiddos. And it can be anything about the lines, the curves. Isaiah and Tommy, do you mind if we start? And then once we get to you, maybe you guys will have an idea? Yeah? Okay. And Jessica. Okay.
And me? I have an idea.
Okay. So we can all put our hands down. Okay. So I'm going to hold up my shape. And to describe it, I'm going to say, kind of looks a little bit like a circle with its curved lines.
Yeah,
and
it looks like kind of like mine.
Please listen quietly. And it dents in. And this little dent in, when a shape dents in like that, it means it's concave. And that's like a super complicated word that you guys will learn later. But I'm going to pass it on to Evelina. Make sure to hold your your shape up so everyone can see.
It's like a mountain with squiggly lines.
Nice.
2 squiggly lines.
It's kind of dented in too. Jessica. Can you hold it up? Very cool. Can you make sure all our friends can see? And what can you say to describe it?
It's 2 pointy lines.
2 pointy lines. Okay. Trent? Make sure to hold your shape up.
It looks like all the sides of race cars are platted.
It looks like a what?
It looks like all the sides of a race car's wheel is platted.
What
Oh,
looks like a flat race car wheel? Danica?
Mine has 5 pointed edges and straight lines.
Awesome. Paige.
I like my shape because it has because of the pointy side.
Of the pointy sides. Can you raise it up so everyone can see it? Very cool. And that kind of looks like a parallelogram. Christopher.
It's like a house. So she can fall. So she go to land.
So it looks like a house. Very cool. It does. Ashton.
It's like a slide on here.
Can you raise it up so we can all see?
It's like a slide.
Oh, the curved line does look like a slide.
Same with mine.
What?
Same with mine.
The same with yours. Can you raise it up? Yeah, very cool. You have a very interesting shape. Can you maybe hold it like this so people can see the different curves?
And it kind of looks like a little, kind of like a pear.
Kind of like a pear. Isaiah, what about your shape?
I like the pointy because it has 8 and my favorite number's 8.
It has 8 sides.
Yeah.
Can you raise it up? So it's an octagon. Very good. Anthony.
I like it because it does things very perfectly.
It does things very perfectly.
Like matches board or something.
Okay. Blake.
I like mine because it's shaped like a pizza.
Is it shaped like a pizza? Can you raise it up so you can see it? Yeah, it does. Okay. Tyler.
I like it because there's 2 kind of like circular sides and 2 straight sides.
And 2 straight sides. Can I see it? Can we all see it? Very cool.
I like mine because it looks like a diamond.
Looks like a diamond. Can you raise it up a little higher? It does look like a diamond. Alexa.
I like mine because it's shaped like a D.
It's shaped like a what?
D.
A what?
A D.
Okay.
like the letter D?
Oh, a D. Okay.
I like mine because it's shaped like a
It's very cool. Awesome. Well, good job, you guys. So let's collect the shapes. Who are the paper passers today?
Can you remember?
Paige, somebody else.
Paige, would you mind collecting the shapes?